Hi, Michelle here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get TikTok comment data. All you need is a video URL, and you'll get data including the comments text and their IDs. You'll also get numeric data such as the number of likes and replies and the commenter's attributes, their username and profile pic. To get this done, we'll be using the ready-made TikTok comment scraper from the Apify store. First, go to the link in the description, which will take you to TikTok comment scraper's README. Click on Try for free, which will prompt you to create an Apify account, but don't worry, it's free and no credit card is required. You'll now land on the actor's input page. You can choose to either set up the input via our user-friendly UI or via JSON. We're going to go with the manual view. To scrape comments from TikTok, we need a video URL. We're going to copy the URL of this TikTok and then paste it in the input field. If you want to add more links, you can do so via the Add button, or you can edit them in bulk. The last thing you need to do is adjust the number of comments you want to scrape and the number of replies for each scraped comment. And that's it for the setup. Before running your actor, we suggest saving your configuration and creating a task. This will come in handy if you want to schedule or integrate your actor with other tools in the future, or if you plan to work with multiple configurations. Now that we have the input filled out, let's run the actor using the Start button. You can watch your results appear in Overview or switch to the Log tab to see more details about the run. Now that our run is finished, we can get our data via the Export button. You can choose your desired format and nitpick which fields you want to include or exclude in your dataset. Then just hit Download and you have your dataset file. For instance, here's our data in JSON open up in a new tab. If you want to automate your workflow further, you can schedule your TikTok comment extractor to run at regular intervals. Choose your task and hit Schedule. You can specify the frequency of how often you want to run the actor. You can even connect the TikTok Comments API to other cloud services, such as Google Drive, Zapier, or any other Apify actor. By the way, you can also run this scraper locally via API. You can find the code in Node JavaScript, Python, or curl in the API drop-down menu in the top right corner. To learn more about retrieving data programmatically, check out our video on the subject. And that's all for now. Let us know what you think about the TikTok comment scraper. Remember, if you come across any issue, make sure to report them to the developer in Apify console. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay notified about future content. So long, and thanks for all the likes.